Hello, today we are going to talk about how to copy an assignment into the gradebook. The first step that we need to do is log into Synergy and find your home page. We're then going to go up to Gradebook to this tab and select Copy Assignments. This gives us a home page of the copy assignment. So this guides us through the process. This screen tells us that where we're copying it from, and then the next screen will ask us where we're copying it to. And this helps us to find the focus or the content area in which we want to really look at. So this is another reason why when you're creating assignments, you want to make sure that you save it under the specific content area instead of just in homeroom. This also helps guide us through marking periods. So for today, I'm going to copy an assignment from marking period 1 to marking period 2 so that you can see that you are able to copy things from one marking period to another marking period. So I'm first going to begin by making sure that it is on the correct school year. If you had assignments from the past, they are here too and available for you to use if you would like. So you just would select the year you want to choose those assignments from. You want to select homeroom and then the class where it is coming from. So in this case is going to be reading, and the class or the marking period where it is housed. So this particular question or assignment is in marking period 1. I'm going to select my assignment that I want to copy, and then over here I'm going to come to where it says choose classes. So this will take me to the page where I want to copy my assignment to. So I want to remain in the same school year, but this time I want to move it to marking period 2. I also want to find the class where I would like for this to save to. So I'm saving it to reading class marking period 2. And then I'm going to select options and finish. If you would like to keep the dates the same, you can. So for instance, if you're keeping it within the same marking period or you're having students repeat the same assignment, you can certainly keep it in the same date range. But for this case, I'm going to select new dates. So I'm going to select dates within the marking period. Second marking period is actually beginning in November this year. And then once I have the dates that I want, I'm going to select finish. And it will take me directly to the page where I saved it. So as you can see at the bottom of each of these assignments, it will give you a date. So you want to make sure that you find the correct assignment. I'm going to hover over it here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to do edit assignment. So from here I can then change any details that I would like to. I'm going to say topic and main idea part 2 marking period 2. I'm going to keep all of this the same. I'm going to make sure that my standards are tied to it. So I'm going to come over here to where it says all standards. English Language Arts, grade 3, literature and informational text, and I'm going to find main idea. I'm going to select that standard. And once I have everything the way that it's supposed to be, I'm going to double check on my grading period. So I have marking period, I'm going to take out marking period 1 and 3. And again, if I want to upload any resources, I can, but I don't have to. And once that assignment is ready, I'm going to click Save Assignment. As you can see, my assignment is not here. What do? Well, I have to make sure that I check the marking period is correct. So I'm going to come over here to where it says marking period 2. And as you can see, my new assignment has been created. This is listed under the assignments view. I want to make sure that I'm always looking at my standard view. So marking period 2 standard is here, which was determine the main idea of a text. I'm going to click my little arrow, and as you can see, my assignment is here. I can enter grades if I want to, or I can leave it until I'm ready to grade. So that is how you copy an assignment within the gradebook.